Pension funds. All the pension funds of India, all the pensions of India are regulated by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. There are 14 pension funds being regulated by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Out of 14, 4 are newly approved by the PFRDA. This is Pension Fund Regulated and Development Authority has approved new pension funds taking the total to 14. These pension funds collect money from subscribers and invest the collected money contributed by employees and employers to build a large financial pool with an endeavor to pay regular income streams to workers after they retire. The subscribers to the National Pension Scheme can choose any one of the pension funds to invest. Means the National Pension Scheme contributors can select any one of the 14 pension funds to invest. National Pension Scheme is aimed at ensuring long-term financial security for workers both in organized and unorganized sectors. The PFRDA has a set a target of growing non-government national pension scheme subscribers to 35 to 40 crores in coming 5 years from the existing 90 lakhs at present. There is a need of building a robust inclusive pension ecosystem by leveraging technology and trusted distribution networks. The greater accessibility, simplified onboarding and stronger last mile outreach are the main important components for establishing winning the confidence of subscribers. The PFRDA allows conservative schemes have delivered 9.2 to 9.3% annual returns for last 15 years, out of which Atal Pension Yojana has shown us that the scale is achievable with 10 crore people joining through the bank and regional rural bank networks. It means all the pension schemes are covered. There are 14 pension funds schemes, pension funds organizations that are there. All these are regulated by Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. The target for the target fixed by the PFRDA is to cover 30 to 40 crores people in the coming 40 years. At present, the pension subscribers are 90 lakhs only. What is the possibility of achieving the 30 to 40 crores subscribers in the coming 40 years is encouraged by the number of people subscribed to the Atal Pension Yojana. Nearly 10 crores people have subscribed to this Atal Pension Yojana. Means with the help of the banks and the rural banks. With the success of the Atal Pension Yojana, the Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority is confident that the authority the number of subscribers can increase to 30 to 40 crores during the coming 5 years. The existing subscribers to pension funds are 90 lakhs from unorganized sector.